Welcome. I hope you enjoy creating your own custom planter. First, choose the height of your planter. For example, number 3. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Now duplicate the template for the top ring. Create a little space between the corners. Choose the desired section. You can use one or several in different lengths and widths. Then snap them to the corners. Note, I made a mistake here. If you want to extend the planter by 5 slats later, you need to insert modules with 5 tabs here. One with 3 tabs and one with 2 tabs instead of using only the 3-tab module. Repeat the same process for the next 2 rings. Ungroup the design by pressing Ctrl+U, disable the red layer, and delete the green guidelines. Enable the red layer again. Select all lines and press Ctrl+J to join them. Then group each ring individually again. Now duplicate the minimum number of corner connectors and add the required number of slats for each side. Now duplicate the required corner connectors for all 4 sides. Group the slat module by pressing Ctrl+G, then snap the module to the corner piece. Duplicate the left corner piece, then snap it to the right side of the slat module. Finally, enter -0.5 in the X position to create a 0.5 mm gap between the modules. If you want to add an engraving, import one of the included engraving patterns. Choose a design, group it, and delete the rest. This reduces memory usage and helps keep LightBurn running smoothly. Move the design onto the slat module and roughly position and scale it. Use the center tool to align it with the slat module, then adjust its height. If you want the engraving to extend across the corner pieces, as shown here, you'll need to split the engraving into sections. To do this, snap 3 rectangles on the green construction layer to the cut lines. Then duplicate the entire design 3 times. Select the engraving, then hold Ctrl and select the cutting rectangle. Use the Boolean subtract tool to cut out the section. Repeat the same process for all 3 modules. Delete the empty modules. Select everything and press Ctrl+G to group it. Now align all 3 modules so they're level at the bottom. Ungroup the right corner piece again. Select the engraving section and align it left with the left corner piece. Then group the left corner piece again. Then delete the right corner piece. Duplicate it to create 4 identical units. Now arrange them on the laser bed however you like. If you enjoyed this project, I'd really appreciate a 5-star review. Thank you for your support.